Welcome to Summit, and today we are fixing the Windows activation issue. If you are suffering from Windows activation, mark here in the right bottom of your screen. Mm, So for that, first we come to Windows, right click, then come to Windows PowerShell Admin. Click on it. Do you want all RPC? Click yes. So here you see the administrator Windows PowerShell. Keep in mind that you just only come to Windows PowerShell admin, not to only Windows PowerShell administrator Windows PowerShell. So here we type IRM space HTTPS colon double slash GET dot ACTIVATE deactivated dot win space vertical bar space IEX. Now just press enter from your keyboard and wait for it. So you're reading the response. So here it will take a few seconds. Don't be panic, it will only take a few seconds. So here you can see activation method. So don't read is choose a menu option using your keyboard. So here you type only the one number and that number is only one. So press 1 from your keyboard. Initializing it will also take a few seconds. Please wait for it. It will take a few seconds. Initializing is loading, so it will take a few seconds. Be patient. Yeah, here you can see Windows 10 Pro is already permanently activated. It means my Windows is already activated. I do not require any activation. So it means my Windows is activated. If you are suffering from Windows activation issue, the mark here. So this method will 100% work from for the Windows 10 or 11 users. It is 100% genuine method. If you like this video or if this video works for you, please comment and like and subscribe. Thank you.